Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's crucial in the realm of web application security, cross-site request forgery, or CSRF for short. We'll start by understanding the concept, and then we'll explore how it operates in real-world scenarios. Imagine you're interacting with a web application, and there's a particular request that can remove a user's account. You might wonder, is this a secure setup? The answer, surprisingly, is no. The reason being, what if another website sends an identical request? How would the server distinguish its origin? To comprehend this better, let's lay down some basics. Consider a typical web application. When you log in, you receive cookies that are stored in your browser. It's important to remember that these cookies are automatically sent with every request you make to the web application, verifying your login. Now let's shift our focus to cross-domain access controls. In HTML, we have iframes, which allow you to embed one website within another. However, due to a security feature known as the same origin policy, cross-iframe communication is restricted. This policy ensures that a malicious website cannot make requests to arbitrary websites and read data cross-domain. This is crucial because cookies are automatically sent with every request to that domain. The policy only permits cross-domain data reading if the domain, schema, and port are the same for both the iframe and the website. Now let's discuss CSRF attacks. CSRF stands for cross-site request forgery, which essentially means one domain is creating, or more accurately, forging requests to another to alter some data. For instance, imagine you're on a website, let's call it secure.com, and clicking on a delete button deletes your user account. Now you navigate to another website, let's call it malicious.com. Just by visiting malicious.com, your account on secure.com gets deleted. How does this happen? When you log into secure.com, you have cookies saved in your browser. If you click on the delete button, it sends a delete request to a specific endpoint on secure.com. However, when you visit malicious.com, a request is made to the exact same endpoint on secure.com, but it originates from malicious.com. Remember, cookies are automatically sent with every request, regardless of your current domain. This means a delete action occurs within your session, deleting your account permanently. In essence, malicious.com has forged a delete request to secure.com. This is a CSRF attack. CSRF is an age-old vulnerability, but there are effective protections against it. One widely accepted solution is the use of randomized tokens, also known as anti-CSRF tokens. These tokens are randomly generated by the web application and sent with every request. They are validated so that other websites cannot make cross-origin or cross-domain requests, as they lack knowledge about these tokens. It's important to note that CSRF does not bypass the same origin policy. We're simply making requests to other websites, which is allowed, but we cannot read the responses, which is blocked by the same origin policy. Sometimes, CSRF can be combined with other vulnerabilities to create more critical issues. For instance, I recently discovered a case where a CSRF was used to achieve remote code execution. CSRF is still a prevalent issue, though not as common as before. However, they're still out there, waiting to be discovered. Sometimes, even if there's CSRF protection, there might be other ways to exploit it. Perhaps another endpoint is leaking it, or the CSRF token itself is predictable, so always stay vigilant because you never know what you might find.